Have you ever wondered, can you get enough protein without eating meat? The answer is yes, absolutely. In fact, millions of people around the world build muscle, stay healthy, improve energy, and maintain strong bodies without relying on meat as their main protein source. Whether you want to eat healthier, reduce food costs, support heart health, lose weight, or simply try more plant-based meals, understanding non-meat protein sources can completely change the way you eat. But here's the problem. Many people think protein only comes from chicken, beef, eggs, or fish. That's not true. There are many powerful protein-rich foods that are affordable, nutritious, delicious, and easy to include in everyday meals. In today's video, we'll explore what protein actually does in the body, how much protein people generally need, the best protein sources without meat, common mistakes people make, easy meal ideas, budget-friendly options, and how to combine foods for balanced nutrition. Stay until the end because we'll also share a simple one-day high-protein meal plan without meat. Let's begin. 1. Why protein is important. Protein is one of the most important nutrients in the human body. Your body uses protein to build muscles, repair tissues, support bones, produce hormones, maintain healthy skin and hair, support the immune system, help you feel full longer. Every cell in the body contains protein. Without enough protein, the body may feel weak, tired, and slower to recover after physical activity. Protein is made from smaller building blocks called amino acids. Some amino acids can be produced by the body. Others must come from food. That's why eating enough protein regularly is important for overall health. Now, many people assume meat is the only reliable source of protein. But that's a misunderstanding. Plants, dairy products, legumes, nuts, seeds, and several other foods can also provide excellent protein. And many of these foods also contain fiber, vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, antioxidants, which means they may support overall wellness in multiple ways. 2. How much protein do people generally need? Protein needs vary depending on age, activity level, body size, health condition, fitness goals. Generally, active individuals may need more protein than people with very low physical activity. People trying to build muscle often pay extra attention to protein intake. However, balance is important. Too little protein may affect energy and muscle maintenance. But focusing only on protein while ignoring fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains is also not ideal. The goal is balanced nutrition, and thankfully non-meat foods can fit into that balance very well. 3. Lentils, a powerful plant protein. One of the best non-meat protein sources is lentils. Lentils are affordable, filling, easy to cook, rich in nutrients. They contain protein, fiber, iron, and other important nutrients. Because they are high in fiber, lentils may also help people feel satisfied longer after meals. This can support healthy eating habits. There are different types of lentils: brown lentils, red lentils, green lentils, black lentils. Each has a slightly different texture and flavor. Lentils can be used in soups, stews, salads, rice dishes, patties, spreads. For people reducing meat intake, lentils are often one of the easiest and most affordable replacements. 4. Beans, simple, cheap, and high in protein. Beans are another excellent protein source without meat. Popular options include black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, pinto beans, navy beans. Beans are popular worldwide because they are nutritious, budget-friendly, versatile, filling. They contain both protein and fiber. Fiber supports digestive health and may help maintain stable energy levels. Chickpeas, for example, can be used in salads, wraps, soups, roasted snacks, hummus. Black beans are commonly added to rice bowls, tacos, burgers, stews. Beans also store well, especially dried varieties, making them practical for many households. Combining beans with grains, like rice, can create a more balanced protein profile. 5. Tofu, tempeh, and soy foods. Soy-based foods are among the most popular meat alternatives. These include tofu, tempeh, edamame, soy milk. Tofu is made from soybeans and has a soft texture. One reason people enjoy tofu is because it absorbs flavor very well. It can be grilled, baked, stir-fried, or added to soups. Tempeh is firmer and has a nuttier flavor. It is often used in sandwiches, bowls, or cooked dishes. Edamame are young soybeans often served steamed or added to salads and rice dishes. Soy foods are widely used in plant-based diets because they contain high-quality protein. Many people also appreciate their versatility in cooking. When choosing packaged soy products, it's often helpful to check labels and choose options with simpler ingredients and lower added sodium when possible. 6. Eggs and dairy products. For people who avoid meat but still consume animal products, eggs and dairy can provide protein as well. Eggs are commonly included in many balanced diets. They can be prepared in several ways: boiled, scrambled, omelets, added to meals. Greek yogurt is another protein-rich option. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt often contains more protein and has a thicker texture. Other dairy sources include cottage cheese, milk, cheese. These foods may also provide calcium, which supports bone health. However, portion balance still matters because some dairy products can contain higher amounts of saturated fat or added sugar. Choosing plain or lower sugar options may be helpful for many people. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds may be small, but they contain valuable nutrients. Examples include almonds, peanuts, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. These foods provide protein, healthy fats, fiber, minerals. Nut butters like peanut butter can also be convenient protein options. However, portion awareness is important because nuts are calorie-dense. Seeds can easily be added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, salads. Chia seeds and flax seeds are especially popular because they can fit into many meals without changing flavor dramatically. 8. Whole grains with protein. Many people don't realize that some whole grains also contain protein. Examples include quinoa, oats, brown rice, whole wheat, buckwheat. Quinoa is especially popular because it contains all essential amino acids. Oats are another practical option. A bowl of oatmeal with nuts and seeds can become a balanced breakfast with fiber and protein. Whole grains also support energy levels because they contain complex carbohydrates. Instead of relying only on refined foods, adding whole grains may help improve meal quality. 9. Vegetables that contain protein. Vegetables are not usually the main protein source, but some contain meaningful amounts. Examples include broccoli, spinach, green peas, Brussels sprouts. Green peas are especially notable. Adding vegetables to meals increases nutrient variety and supports balanced eating patterns. Protein-rich vegetables work best when combined with other protein foods like beans, lentils, tofu, or dairy. 10. Common mistakes people make. When switching away from meat, some people make common mistakes. Mistake 1. Not eating enough variety. Relying on only one food source may limit nutrient intake. Different foods provide different nutrients. Variety matters. Mistake 2. Eating too many ultra-processed foods. Some packaged meat alternatives are highly processed. Occasional convenience foods are fine for many people, but balanced diets usually include more whole foods. Mistake 3. Ignoring overall nutrition. Protein is important, but so are fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, hydration, fiber. Health is about overall dietary patterns. Mistake 4. Assuming plant-based means automatically healthy. Some plant-based foods may still contain large amounts of sugar, salt, or unhealthy fats. Reading labels and focusing on balanced meals can help. 11. Easy high-protein meal ideas without meat. Here are simple meal ideas. Breakfast. Oatmeal with peanut butter and chia seeds. Greek yogurt with nuts and fruit. Egg and vegetable omelet. Lunch. Lentil soup with whole grain bread. Chickpea salad bowl. Rice and beans with vegetables. Dinner. Tofu stir fry. Bean chili. Quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables. Snacks. Roasted chickpeas. Nuts. Yogurt. Hummus with vegetables. Simple meals can still be nutritious and satisfying. 12. Budget-friendly protein options. One major advantage of many non-meat protein foods is affordability. Some of the most budget-friendly choices include lentils, beans, peanut butter, eggs, oats, chickpeas. Buying dried beans and lentils in bulk may help reduce food costs further. Frozen vegetables can also be practical and nutritious. Healthy eating does not always require expensive ingredients. 13. Who may benefit from more plant-based protein? Many people choose non-meat proteins for different reasons. Some want more dietary variety, budget-friendly meals, heart-conscious eating patterns, environmental awareness, cultural or personal preferences. Others simply enjoy the taste and flexibility of plant-based meals. There is no single perfect diet for everyone. The key is creating balanced eating habits that fit individual needs and lifestyles. Conclusion. Protein does not only come from meat. There are many nutritious alternatives that can support balanced eating and healthy lifestyles. From lentils and beans to tofu, yogurt, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, non-meat protein foods can be affordable, versatile, and satisfying. The most important thing is balance, consistency, and variety. Start simple. Even adding 1 or 2 plant-based meals each week can make a difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And in the comments below, what is your favorite non-meat protein source? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.